So the white pie is made very similar to all of our pizzas here. We take one of our dough and we basically open it up till it's about 20 inches. We put it on the wood peel, and then from there we start layering it. And the layering process is really important. We take a little bit of water and sort of with the pastry brush just go around the crust of the dough. You're able to put the sesame seeds around, so during the baking process the sesame seeds really stay on. After that we start to take the mozzarella cheese that we make in-house. So we grate it ourselves and then we put sort of like just a thin layer of mozzarella cheese because there's a couple of cheese components, so we try to keep the ratios as even as possible. After the first layer of mozzarella cheese, we take our ricotta cheese and we sort of dollop ricotta on top of the mozzarella around the pie. Once that's there, I teach my guys sort of to follow the dollops of ricotta with our caramelized onions. We top it off with a little bit of grated pecorino cheese. My family is Sicilian, so we try to take as many nods from Sicilian cuisine as we can. So we bake it in a wood fire oven like the rest of our pizzas. And when it comes out, we finish it with some more pecorino cheese. It's like raw and it has definitely a different flavor to it. And then a little bit of parsley on top. And I think the parsley adds freshness and sort of livens it up a little bit.